Xander, then Gabby. That's how they'll finish up. Last chance to make the main moto number 7, 11-year-old novices. We got Tyler Young going loose on the front. Oh, Phoebe goes down. Tyler gets off his pedals. We've got the 610 bike out front. That is Hunter Pratt.
Go, Hunter! Keep on, go, go, go!
Tyler's hurting. Phoebe, you can get him.
Go, go, go!
Get back up and get going. She is back up and going. He is not feeling good. He's grunting about something. It's all about Hunter Pratt right now.
Hunter, go! Hell, boys!
Yeah, he's screaming. He's going to make it.
Hell, Tyler!
Nice and smooth, Hunter. Nice and smooth. You got Tyler in the... Here comes Phoebe. Tyler giving it everything he's got. He's sucked dry of energy because he didn't drink his Yoo-hoo.